Is that food in there?
Yes, sir.
How long has that been in there?
I'll say 2 days.
Dude.
I work outside, man. I forgot. I literally forgot.
Go for it. 2359.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the Patrol Vlog, Season 3, Episode 7. We're getting ready to head to a noise complaint where people had called on this guy a couple times the day before, so now he himself called us because he wanted to know why he was being harassed. Now the tricky part about this call is you're going to see he has had a little bit of the drinky drink today, and it's hard to reason with him. For any of you guys that are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and all my links for the social media are down below.
Hey, all I'm asking is, that's some bottles that thing. And obviously, I think you might have been that verse about when that, it's a center block.
So what's the question?
They keep telling me the music's too loud. I only have one neighbor. Eddie! Dog!
So you got 100 feet and with the
Yeah,
neighbors-
200 feet. Or, no, I'm never going to know. I'm sorry.
No. What I'm saying is, if they right there,
No, they didn't complain. That's the problem. Nobody's going to tell me. I think I got somebody just picking on me. And the same officer.
Let me go ahead and I'll just... Yeah, everything's fine.
Yeah. I just have an issue about a noise complaint at night.
All right, here, let me just explain to you real quick. Here's the way it works for the ordinance, okay? Basically, anybody who's playing amplified music from a stereo or anything like that, if it can be heard out in the general public, if it bothers somebody, it's a violation. It doesn't matter the level, it doesn't matter whatever,
Whether
okay?
they live here or not.
Whether they live here or not. It could be someone across the
So,
street,
I
it could
mean,
be,
but-
just hear me out, okay? It could be somebody walking down the sidewalk, whatever. You have your doors and windows open and you're playing your music to the point that people across the street can hear it. If somebody has a problem with it and they call, it's a violation. So it doesn't matter if it's before 10 p.m., it does a lot of the things that people think. So here's the issue. If someone calls, we're gonna come out and tell you to turn it down. Right? If it's anonymous, same thing. We're just gonna be like, look, anonymous complainant.
So if somebody don't like somebody, I could actually just do the same thing.
anybody can call on anybody. It's just like
That's
it's just-
crazy,
hold on,
right? Does that
it's just-
make
hold on.
sense
It's just
to
like
you?
it's just like suing somebody. So anybody can sue anybody for anything.
Yeah, but then
it's still
you
gotta-
get-
But listen, give me a second. Let me explain.
Yeah, yes, sir.
It takes a process as well. You know what I mean?
Right.
So we got to come out, evaluate it,
No, I
observe
know.
it, and things like that. You know what I mean? If we feel that it's too loud, then guess what? We would say, hey, turn
Right.
it down. And we feel that it's
Now you're
coming.
good.
Just give me a second. And then if we got to keep coming out, then that's when we start going.
I
different
agree
routes.
with you 100%, sir. But
Like the
that
door
is as loud
closed,
as it can be.
the door with the door closed like this,
It's
you're
totally-
fine.
yeah.
But your door wide open, you have to understand that music's carrying
Oh
past the
no,
gas
I
station.
totally agree with you.
You know, that's
Right.
the issue.
It's totally. It's
I
definitely
mean,
more
right now
quiet.
it's like
Yeah, it's more quiet. But when that door is open and then you got the dog barking, you know what I mean? That's what.
well, the dog.
Yeah.
Now I got my. So I rent from.
Did she not know you, or she was acting like she didn't know you? I don't know.
I think her name's Mindy. No, I rented this place from her brother. But it don't matter. I mean, you know who that lawyer is?
No, I don't.
He's
man.
got pictures of.
And I don't even care, to be honest with you.
All
But,
right, exactly. But in the
I'm just
end,
here- I'm just
you're
here
a community officer, right?
Yes.
Is that what I requested?
Yes.
And the point being is my father was always respectful.
Right.
And I just want to know how to get past this.
So how you can get past that is by what you just did. You got both doors shut. Right now it's tamed, but no telling how somebody might feel if they next door to you or
but
right
there's
here.
nothing here.
I'm just saying. But once those doors are ajar, now that music is being amplified and is reaching
But I
out.
wanted you, as a community officer, to see there is nothing around me.
But there is. That's
There
what
is.
you're failing to understand. Every one
It
of these
carries.
businesses has people in it.
No,
If
not
it's-
at night.
Listen.
Not
Somebody,
at night,
but here's
sir.
the thing. Somebody heard it. Okay? If somebody heard it and called us, that's the issue. If there was nobody
If they're
around,
not, if they
nobody
say-
would be here to hear it to call us.
This
And
is-
that's not true.
How's that not true?
Because that place closes at 10, and I've
Listen.
walked with my dog.
Listen,
How would
There's
anybody-
nobody
How
here.
would anybody know to call us?
I told you, I think I got somebody.
Well, I'm here and you're playing music, so somebody heard the music to call us. If they didn't hear music,
I
they
have
would never
I
call
have
us.
enemies.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Fred Ross, sir.
Fred. Also, Ashley. Listen, when that door is open, it's not just these bitches. That music carries. So maybe you can probably go and take a walk and to the other side.
No, I walk around.
But just
all
listen,
the
just listen. The music carries.
Yes.
So when it carries, other people's gonna be disturbed by it. Whether it's on the other side of that building or other side of your house.
You live next
Going
to a shelter. There's
I mean,
people in every one
They're
of these
not
units.
here. There's nobody here.
There's
Just
people
don't
that
wanna
live
go.
here. They live right behind here. I've been there. I know people live there.
Oh, that. Okay, I didn't know that. So yes, sir.
But just
yes,
speaking
sir.
just speaking in general.
No, what he just said. No,
Yes.
I didn't know that.
Right,
Yeah,
but I'm saying
there's a whole
just
complex.
speaking
No,
in
no,
general
no, no,
things.
no.
So-
Here. Come on. I'm listening. I'm not a fool. That's why we're here.
We're not.
Right.
Yeah, we know
so
what
we're trying to
you
explain
are.
to you that just because these businesses are closed at night, it's still
Yes,
hold
I'm
on.
looking this front line.
You gotta,
and he just
you gotta
said
look, you gotta
that's
look
probably
beyond that.
where it's coming
you gotta,
from.
You gotta look beyond that. On the other side of this building, there's houses. Behind you, there's houses.
Yes.
Music carries.
No, I got it. No,
Sound
as soon as you
carries.
said that, I didn't know there was.
Just at
I didn't
nighttime-
know there was people.
Just at
here.
nighttime, you gotta respect people's.
I always
You
have.
know what I
to.
mean? Yeah. And then you probably won't get the calls.
I ain't
You know
getting
what
no more calls.
Right.
That's why you're here and he's
Right.
here, because I need to know what's going wrong.
Direct control, surf down garage.
So
That's probably what's going wrong. The music is just carrying, and then it's getting people who's probably trying to sleep or who's trying
well,
to
I
get some
didn't
rest.
know there was people here. There's that one there hurts because I don't want to disrupt people. The reason why I'm looking at it is this: there's nothing here.
Yeah, I get that.
Yeah.
You know, I'd be thinking the exact
but
same
I
thing.
didn't know that
Yeah.
because
Like, and
these
just like
two
I
are
said,
empty.
Just walking up, like I said,
Yeah.
you can hear the music, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Carry.
Yeah.
Because the doors are open, but once it's closed, it's kind of more like, you know.
Y'all good?
Yeah. Is that all? We answered your question for you?
bless.
All right, man.
That's why community.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You
Appreciate
guys
it.
told me.
Take care.
Have a good
There
day.
you go. You guys have fun.
You too.
All right, so that's how we handled that call. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. As you can see, with him drinking, it was a little hard to reason with him. He wanted to talk over us the whole time, but we just had to go round and round and repeat ourselves about, 37 times. But it's handled. He was happy, and we move on. Now, we are rolling into a traffic stop. This was a really simple equipment violation. The guy had a headlight out. We typically just do these to notify the people, let them know. Some are aware, some are not, and just basically check all their stuff to make sure they're valid and everything else is good, and then just give them a written warning for the equipment violation. And that way, if they get stopped again a month down the road and they still haven't fixed it, then there's more likelihood that they're going to get a citation at that time. So here's the stop.
Final stop will be Drew and Edgewood Avenue.
Copy.
Lord. How you doing?
Good evening, sir.
Good. How y'all doing? Officer Hatcher, Clearwater Police Department. You guys know I stopped you?
Maybe because of the light.
You knew it, man. That's why you were
Yeah.
slowing down, huh?
No, I was like, okay, I saw you turning in, and then
You
I saw you
already
turn
knew.
out. I was like, all right, man.
All right,
Yeah.
you got your license with you, man?
Yes, sir.
And your insurance?
Yes, sir.
Registration?
Yes, sir.
Please and thank you. I figured when you was creeping, I said, he already know I'm about to.
Yeah, for sure.
312, channel 12.
21.
What'd you say?
My registration.
What'd you say?
312, channel 12.
That's my proof of insurance.
He's
And,
dancing.
I thought you said 1012. I'm like, yeah, they know.
No.
Is that food in there?
yes, sir.
How long has that been in there?
I'll say 2 days.
Dude.
I work outside, man. I forgot. I literally forgot.
It looks like a piece of pizza. No, just a little
No,
bun.
it's a cheesesteak sandwich.
Oh, that's nasty, man.
Can I throw it in the trash can out there?
Just let us finish doing what we're doing, and then
255-438-97-131-0. Where you headed
here,
to, my man?
pinch that
I'll work on
together
the
and hand it to me.
You sure?
That's where you
Yeah.
gotta head to?
Okay.
Where at?
Clearwater Beach. We're just going to the beach.
Oh, I thought you said you worked.
Oh no, I work for
That's what I
Apex
said.
Roofing.
No, I said where you headed to, and then you said I work at Clearwater Beach.
No, I
So
said I'm going to Clearwater.
I thought you said I work.
Nah,
Can't
I
you
said
see
I'm
they
going
have
to
a whole thing of White Claws in here? Of course they're going to the
Hell
beach.
yeah.
I don't drink.
I do martial arts, so this man is the one. That's why I'm DP right now.
Like I said, you'll be getting a warning. Just you gotta get that fixed, my man.
Yeah,
You know?
I'm saving for it because what happened was a lady cut me off at the turning
You
light.
said you saving for it.
What?
You said you saving
Yeah,
for
because
it.
I paid off the car and it was deemed as my fault, but the lady cut me off. I don't
But
have
you
a
about
dash
to go
cam.
party right now, though? Huh?
Me?
Yeah.
I didn't pay for anything.
Huh?
I get my gas reimbursed. He paid for the White Claws. So who's paying for it? Not me.
So you must be chilling outside the club then. You must ain't going inside the club.
We're just chilling at the beach.
Cause when you find some ladies and you drunk all the White
It's
Claws,
spring break.
but you drink all the White Claws, and now how you gonna buy them a drink?
That's him right there. That's
Oh,
my
that's the
brother.
money man.
I got
You-
a lady. I got a lady. He's the one- he's the
Okay.
one
I
with
get
the
it.
moves.
I get it. I get it.
moves, man. I'm chilling.
There ain't nothing wrong with having the moves, man. I mean, that's a plus. I'm
That's
just saying.
That's what I've been telling
You know
him,
what I'm saying?
bro. I've been telling this man. Like,
You don't want two left feet, man.
that's what I
Go
told
ahead.
him.
10-4, thank you.
My what?
You're valid, man.
Oh, okay.
I ain't
I was
gotta-
like,
Yeah.
13,
I'll say,
District 3.
what do you mean? I've been on my shit.
11.
All right, man.
District
Drive safe, be safe, and get that fixed tomorrow.
I appreciate that. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
because next time I'm gonna write you. Okay.
I got you.
I'm trying to prevent you from having more bills and more
It's
expenses. You know what I mean?
this is my last week of spring break, so I shouldn't be here anytime soon. But I get it
Man,
fixed.
hey. All right, man. Have a good night. Yep.
All right, everyone, so that was the episode for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. What did you think about the last traffic stop? That, to me, is the way the majority of traffic stops are conducted. It's a pretty simple stop. Hey, this is what we got. Run the license. If you have any personality, joke around with people a little bit when you can. Make it an enjoyable experience as much as getting pulled over can be, and then we move on. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below of that stop. Have you been treated like that, or have you been treated worse on traffic stops? I'm sure there is a broad range of stories out there, so feel free to share them in the comments below. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. A little bit of a shorter video. I know you guys have liked the longer ones. The next video that will be coming out will actually be really long. It's, I think, close to a half an hour, and it's one call. It's one civil issue that I went back and forth with some people, and you're gonna see me for the first time not lose my temper, but a level of frustration that I think you're gonna agree with me, but I'll be curious when that video comes out for you guys to watch the whole thing and tell me what you think at the end of it, that if it was justified or not. And I was trying so hard to reason with these people and be nice to them, and they just wanted to be difficult. Anyway, that'll be in the next episode. So, and guys, if you did enjoy this video, do me a huge favor and hit that thumbs up. It's one of those simple things that you can do. It doesn't cost you any money. It doesn't take you any extra time. You're already on the video, and it helps promote this video and get it out to more people so they can see it. And that's the easiest, simplest way that you guys can help out me and help out the channel so other people can find this content. And as always, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, join the Mikey Mo Mob, hit the notification bell. That way when I upload these videos, you'll get notified and you can come right along with us on the calls. So until the next video, I want you guys to take really good care of yourselves and stay safe out there.